Hello my buddies! Welcome to a setup video with Kim Tech. My name is Kim. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the TP-Link Deco BE16000 3-pack from Costco. This 3-pack Wi-Fi 7 mesh system includes 3 router units and is marketed that it can cover up to 9,600 square feet with seamless Wi-Fi coverage and supports over 200 devices with its quad band. If you're eager to get them up and running, go ahead and skip to that setup section using the timestamp below. If not, let's get on with the unboxing. Pick one Deco unit from the 3 as your main router. Since they're all the same, there isn't a dedicated main router and satellite unit like other brands. And to save time, first disconnect your old router. And since my modem likes to cache itself, I restarted it as well. Then plug in the Deco router, power it up, and plug into the modem. It's fine to connect the Deco router while the modem is restarting. Also, if possible, place the 2 satellite units at the desired location and turn them on. While the modem and Deco router are booting up, download the Deco app if you don't have it. Then open the app. Select Allow for the local network pop-up, so the Deco app can have local network permission to find and communicate with devices on the networks you use. Then select Allow if you want the Deco app to send you notifications. If not, select Don't Allow. I accidentally checked the box to join the User Experience Improvement Program since I was moving a bit fast here. Luckily, you can change preference later under the 3 bars, App Settings, About, Privacy Settings, and disable Join User Experience Improvement Program. Anyway, continue on by accepting the term of use and privacy policy and tap Continue. If you have a TP-Link account, then select Already Have an Account and log in. If not, tap Create a TP-Link ID to create one. Since I already have an account, I'll just log in. I'm tapping Not Now here because I don't want my password to be saved to iCloud keychain, but you totally can to make it easier for yourself. Now, if you're setting up the Deco for the first time, then you won't see the screen. But for some reason, my old network is cached to the app, maybe because I disconnected the device before removing it from the app. Anyway, tap the plus icon on the top right-hand corner and select Create a New Network. Make sure that the local network is enabled for the Deco app. To check, go to Settings on your phone and find the Deco app and see if local network is enabled. If not, Just toggle to enable it. Then go back to the Deco app and select the plus icon again. Create a network. Select BE16000. Tap Open Camera and Scan. You'll be prompted to allow camera access, so tap Allow for the Deco app to access your camera. Then tap Open Camera and Scan again to scan your Deco's product label, which is at the bottom of your Deco. The app advised to place the entire product label in the viewfinder, so it's not just the QR code. Once the scan is successful, the Deco device will be found. Tap Setup this Deco. Tap through the What You Need screen, power off your modem screen, plug in your device's screen, check your modem, and the Wait Until Deco's LED pulses blue screen. If it's not blinking blue already, then wait until it is. Make sure your Wi-Fi is enabled on the cell phone from either the control center or settings if you're using an iPhone. Tap Join when prompted to join the Deco Wi-Fi network. The app will start looking for your Deco. This part took about 34 seconds, then it gave me an error that the app couldn't find my Deco because the router was still a solid yellow at the beginning stage when the app was looking for the Deco unit. Moving too fast again. If that's the same for you, it's okay. Just tap Try Again when you see the pulsing blue. So the second time around, it only took about 15 seconds for the Deco to be connected. Then select the location this Deco is in. You can add a custom name if you cannot find what you're looking for. It will start detecting the internet connection type. On the Connect Your Deco to the internet screen, you can leave the internet connect type default and tap Next. Now it will start creating your Wi-Fi network. Type in what you want to call your Wi-Fi to the SSID or network name field, then type in the password. As a security recommendation, please don't use the same password as your bank or other sensitive accounts. Once you're done, tap Next. Since this Deco model has Wi-Fi 7, it supports the 6 GHz band, so you are also prompted to name the 6 GHz band network, which you can keep the network name and password the same. Tap Next once you're done. You can skip the update schedule screen or tap Next if you want to keep the suggested update schedule to automatically update to the latest firmware. I tap the next arrow here. The app will attempt to finish creating your Wi-Fi network. Let it do its thing. Once complete, tap Connect on the Connect to your Deco Wi-Fi screen. It will then attempt connecting to your new Wi-Fi. Once found and connected, it will go through testing your internet connection to make sure you have internet connection. You will see Deco is now online if everything checks out. If it doesn't, turn off your modem and go through the process again. Anyway, your Deco network is now up. Tap Next. It tells you to plug in your other Decos. Just tap Next. If you had placed the satellite units and turned them on in the beginning, they should be blinking blue by now. Walk over to one of the satellite units to start setting it up and tap Done on the screen here. If it doesn't take you to set up the satellite units from that screen, tap the plus icon and select Add a Deco unit. Choose the best layout of your home and tap Next. For best results, TP-Link recommends placing the devices in an open space area away from large electrical appliances. Tap through a couple of the next arrows when you're done with reading through all of its recommendations. Please make sure that your satellite Deco is not a solid yellow and that it's a pulsing blue, because solid yellow means the Deco is still starting up and not ready for setup. The Deco app will start looking for the Deco satellite device. Once found, tap Add this device and select the location where this Deco is sitting. It will apply the settings to this unit and confirm that it's been added. Finally, tap Add another Deco to repeat the process for the other satellite unit, or tap Done when you have added everything. To set up your guest Wi-Fi network, tap on the More icon on the bottom tray of the Deco app and tap the guest network. Enable both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network and the 6 GHz network. Type in your network name and password. You can leave it open if you want, but I recommend you don't in case you get a freeloader in your neighborhood.
that person would definitely appreciate your generosity.
The guest network actually has a duration of how long you want to keep it active. So if you have devices connected to the guest network and need it to always be on, then change it to always by selecting the arrow for the 2.4 and 5 GHz network and select duration to make the change. Select the back arrow and select save once you're done.
Now that we're done with the setup, I'm going to spend some time testing out these fellas. So please stay tuned to hear what I have to say about them in a future video. Also, it's worth noting that the setup was done with an iPhone, but if you're using an Android device, the process should still be very similar. Anyway, hope you all find this video helpful. If you do, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it down below. Thank you again for watching this video, and have yourself a nice day or night wherever you are, my buddies. Until next time, bye!